A very good morning, dear students. 8th graders, I hope you all are fine. As per your syllabus, we have covered till chapter 3rd. Today we are going to start with next chapter, that is chapter number 4, correcting and retouching. In this we will cover the part like introductory part, how to do the correction, how to do the retouching process. So in today's session we will cover till how to do the correction, how to correcting the photograph, and this is possible in a Photoshop. Basically a photographer use the Photoshop software to edit a photograph. So how to do corrections, today we will discuss about this part. So without wasting our time, let's start with the session. Firstly, introduction part. Basically, as per previous discussion, everybody knows Photoshop is an amazing tool that can take any photo and change it into anything you can imagine. It means whatsoever idea you are having to changing in a photograph, you can do correction, you can do editing in that such type of photo with the help of Photoshop software. It provides several ways to edit the images without making changes to the underlying data of original image. It means image data will not be affected. Image will be as usual. But the process of editing will be continue on a particular part of an image. If you wish to change the image, it's your wish. But if you want to do editing like in a face, you want to do editing in eye, you want to do editing in some mouth area, you can do the correction in a particular area with the help of Photoshop software. So image do not always come exactly as you wish to use them. You may need to do some cropping, adjust their colors or luminosity, change their size or modify their content. So two concepts are used, correcting and retouching in this chapter. What is the concept of correcting? Digital camera tends to cause various problems, like sometimes it happens when a photographer click an image, your eye color will be red, such as red eye or hot spot. Hot spot mean to say your face is so much shiny that will degrade your image look. So this type of problems can be do corrected in the in a Photoshop software. In Photoshop you can correct all these such problems as well as adjust the overall color of your digital photo also. So how to do the correction? So first problem is red eye removal from an image. The digital camera flash is located at the right above the lens. Due to that reason, the red eye will be displayed in your image, which cause the effect of red eye. However, you can fix your photo easily in a Photoshop, and to remove the red eye concept, to remove the red eye redness from your eye, you can follow the such steps. You will see the effect in a Photoshop also. Firstly, open a photo which you want to correct. Open the particular file which you want to make it correct. Afterward, select the zoom tool from a toolbox. A toolbox window is there. From that window, you will click on zoom tool and click and drag a rectangle around the eye. It means select the eye in a rectangular shape. Step 3, make sure your default foreground and background color are black and white. It means foreground color and background color, it should be red and black and white. And step 4, click and hold on the little black triangle of healing brush. You have to hold the mouse on the little black triangle of healing brush tool and select the red eye tool. After you select the red eye tool, after selecting the red eye tool, click on the red part of eye and paint. Click on the red part of a particular eye and paint holding down the mouse button, and you will see how the red part of particular eye area will be removed. It will start disappearing. Now see the effect in a picture. This is the picture that is already given, in which redness is there. So how to remove the red effect of eye? See now. In this, your eye effect has been removed, your redness has been removed, it gets converted in the blackish form. Next is removal of hotspot in a photograph. What happens using a camera flash? Sometimes it happens, it causes some shiny area on the people's face, or the flash to reflect on the shiny surface. So to correct this problem, we will use the concept of hotspot removal. So for that, what we will do? Step 1, open the Photoshop or photo which you want to make it correct. Afterward, select the clone stamp tool. The option is clone stamp tool from the toolbox. And in the option bar, change the blend mode. You will see now in the particular window, you will change the blend mode from normal to darken. You are looking, it's by default normal. Get it converted into the darken and set the opacity up to 50%. Set the opacity level up to 50%. What will happen? It will dark the reflected area. Afterwards, choose a soft edge brush. Where you want to apply, choose a soft edge brush and set the diameter to 40 or 50. And hold down the Alt key and click in the clean area. Just click in that area to get the sample of color. And afterward, what will happen? You will paint over the hotspot and the light area will gradually become darkened. See the effect in both images. In upper image, it is very lighter, but it became darkened in the second image. It means it is matching to your actual face area. Now adjusting color of an image. Color adjustment, it's a best tool, and color adjustment is required. Sometimes it happens you need light color, some happens you need natural color, sometimes you need some dark color. For that you can do the color adjustment. And to correct the color of your image, just open the particular image which you want to change. Afterward, in the main menu, go to the image option and then bring your mouse pointer on adjustment. Bring your mouse pointer on adjustment and choose the levels. Choose the level. You will see a dialog box display a diagram of color. It will be displayed. Diagram of color, it will be displayed, and the black triangle is for shadow. Black triangle, if you are looking, it is displaying the shadow. Gray is showing the midtone and white is showing the highlights. So 3 triangles are there. One is your black triangle, second is your gray triangle, and third is your white triangle. See in the image, this is your black triangle, this is your gray triangle, and this is your white triangle. What will the effect? If you do the direction changes, like in the channel drop down menu, you can choose between RGB. RGB is a color combination, red, green, and blue. So it will indicate whether you change to all colors or just only one color. You need to change the values. And the value of RGB, I have already told, it will be start from 0 to max, it will be 255. So minimum value will be 0 and maximum it will be 255. And dragging the black triangle to right side. Now see the effect. 3 triangles we are having, black, gray, and white. If you will drag the black triangle to the right side, it will make the photo shadow darker. It will make it darker. And dragging the white triangle to the left side, it will make it the lighter. And dragging it to the right side will make it more darker. So you will see the effect. Afterward, you will be able to see the image. It will become like this image. Priorly the image was, actual image was of this type. And after do the effect, after making the changes in color, it will become like a natural image like this. So it is the effect of removal of hotspot. Removal of hotspots or color combination. It's a color combination effect. Priorly we have done hotspot area, and prior to that we have done about red eye effect. So this is all about your today's session. In this session we have covered about what is Photoshop, how to make the correction, how to remove the red eye effect, how to remove their hotspot area, and how to change the color of an image. So in next session we will meet with the next part. That next part is retouching. I again repeat, next part is your retouching. We will do that part in the next session. Thank you. Have a nice day. And one more thing in this session, I forgot to tell. What is this? Yes, retouching also includes some concept. I'll discuss today only. What is the use of clone tool or how to make it correct? In retouching, how much retouching do depend upon the image you are working on or your goal for setting it up. So how to replace the color in an image? For color replacement, just use the color replacement tool to paint over one color with another color. It means you will repainting the one color with another color. And when you start painting the color replacement, it analyzes the first pixel you paint and only it replaces the pixel of similar color. You can choose the color replacement to change the color of child cap. Like see the effect. Child cap color is this one. So for that, zoom into the see child cap clearly. Zoom the area of child cap. Select the color replacement tool in the tool panel. Afterward, click the foreground color swatch. Yesterday we have discussed about foreground and background color. So foreground color swatch, you will select that area and in the color picker dialog select a particular color which you wish to do it change. And you will paint the foreground color over the pink cap. And in the option bar, open the brush pop-up panel to view the brush option. And then move the size slider to 25 pixels and hardness slider to 45% and spacing slider up to 30% and choose off from the size and tolerance menu. So this is the setting. Size will be 25, hardness will be your 45%, spacing will be 30%, angle will be 0 degree, roundness will be 100%, your size will be off and your tolerance will be also off. And afterward you will see the effect. Click outside the brush pop-up panel to close it and in the option bar choose hue from the mode menu. Then click sampling continuous. Then click on sampling continuous and choose find edge from the limit menu and set the tolerance to 32%. Make sure anti-alias is selected. Anti-alias is selected. Afterward, begin painting in the middle of the cap. See now, when you start begin painting in the middle of cap and paint out toward the edge and choose a smaller brush and continue painting out toward the edge of the cap. You can zoom it if you needed to change the color. And when the cap color turn blue, you can save that particular file. So it was to changing the color of particular image by using the foreground and background color option that was under the swatch, replacing color in an image. In next session, we will discuss about repairing area with clone stamp tool. How to repair the particular area. It was to changing the effect of color. In next session, we will discuss about how to repair the particular area of an image. So thank you. Have a nice day for this session. Thank you so much.